Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Today we're going to be diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I recently got my hands on this bad boy at the sale at Sephora that they were having. I got it for $32 instead of the original price of $42. I am a really huge fan of ABH in general. I usually get every single palette that they come out with, and so I was a bit hesitant to get this one just because of what happened with Subculture and everything. I mean, I still have Subculture, and like I said in my review, I use the shadows individually, not together. But I'm really excited to dive into this palette. I have not opened the box. It's gorgeous. It has like this kind of matte velvety feel. Always love their packaging. I always love how much effort they put into all of these and, you know, the campaigns and stuff. So we're just gonna pull it out, and it is still the same velvet material on this box as well, but this one is black. So hopefully it doesn't get as dirty as my other palettes usually do, because my Modern Renaissance is like hotmess.com. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. And it has, you know, the little paper in here. I don't want to blind you guys, so this is what the colors are looking like. Very, very beautiful. I'm particularly attracted by this shade here. Super bright yellow called Sphere. Definitely want to play that into our look for the day. And of course, it comes with the same brush that all the other ones come with. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into this, you know, tutorial review and whatnot. And of course, before we do that, if you haven't subscribed already, you know, don't forget to. Just gonna throw that out there. So yeah, let's just jump right into this. So my eyes are already primed, my eyebrows already slayed, although yeah, they're already good to go. So I'm just gonna jump right into this palette. I'm doing my eyes first because I'm afraid of fallout, and I'm gonna use the brush that comes in here, because if you send me a brush, I should be able to use it. First and foremost, I think I'm gonna tap into this shade called Eden, this lovely shade up here. It looks really, really nice. And I'll use the mirror they sent me too. Well, that comes with the palette. They didn't send me a mirror. As the mirrors in here are always really nice. So just wanna show you guys that I'm tap one, the little bit of kickback, but not anything near Subculture kickback. So let's see. Okay, that is gorgeous. I love that shade. What a nice, wow, that's pigmented, guys. Wow, that's gorgeous. Guys, look at this color. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can actually see it the way I'm seeing it. I am absolutely loving this. I can't believe this was like my transition shade. This is really, really pretty. I would rock this alone. I love this. This is so like nice and coral, like peachy but pinky. I'm bad at describing colors. So next I'm gonna go into Saturn. This orangey shade here. It's a little bit more orange just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. I'm really not sure what look I'm going for. I just know I want to use Sphere. The end. So let's just dap into that. Again, same amount of kickback, not that much actually. I'm just going to put this into my crease. And now with another brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this shade Parallel to do my outer V with. Same thing, not that much kickback. I want you guys to see my palette. I don't know if you can tell the kickback on it, not that much, barely any at all. This is good. Okay, Prism, I'm liking this. And now using a pointed brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Obsidian to really deepen that outer crease because I'm feeling dark. You see this nice velvet blue shirt I got on? I'm feeling a little dark today. Just 1, 2, not that much kickback. Pigment, definitely there. Okay guys, so now to move on to shimmer tones for our inner corner. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Osiris for like this center part, and then use Dimension in the front. So I have Osiris and Dimension here. But first I'm going to cut my crease with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer really quickly. Just going to use a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I ended up creating with the Prism palette. I did go ahead and use the shade Lucid in my inner corners instead of Sphere because I just didn't think Sphere was going to go with this, and I loved it. And I did also add it to my brow bone as well for a little bit of highlight and glow. I am absolutely loving the way that this came together. I love this with the shirt. It was just meant to be. So just my final thoughts and opinions on this palette. I actually really like it. I think that this was a great palette. The colors are obviously amazing. I mean, this is Anastasia that we're talking about. Her stuff is usually very good. Her daughter Norvina definitely puts a lot of thought and effort into all of the products that they do come out with. So I am very pleased with what I came up with and with what I purchased. I will definitely be getting the Soft Glam palette now that I know that the Prism palette went very well. This was gorgeous, and I think the sale is going to be going on until this Thursday. I'm going to be posting this on a Wednesday, so go get this palette. Like, it's good and it's on sale right now, so go get it. Go. Don't say, yeah, go get it. That's really my final thoughts and opinions on this. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.